What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to episode 6 of my web development tutorials. We are kind of getting deeper and deeper into HTML, getting closer and closer to CSS. We're inching closer every tutorial. And what I want to show you today are tables. And tables are nice. I mean, obviously we all know what tables are. Not the table that you set your drink and your slice of pizza on, but the table that has rows and columns and things like that. So, the only thing that's going to be a challenge for me is to think of what we want to put in our table. But let's go ahead and start it up. I have a brand new document, or a brand new file, I should say, and this will just kind of help us practice setting up an HTML file. So we're going to do doctype HTML, don't forget about that, and then we'll have a closing tag, which is just our HTML closing tag. And again, this is a review, nothing new here. If you kind of forgot, that's okay, don't worry about that. That's why we do these kind of things. So let's go ahead and let's set a title. I'm going pretty quick because we kind of went over this already. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast, but I guess let me know if I am, because I can definitely slow it down. Let's just go tables. Set our title to tables. Title. Oh, we forgot our slash. Don't forget the slash in your end tags. Very important. And actually, let's go ahead and save this so we get all the cool color coding. And let's just save this as tables. I cannot spell it. There we go. Tables.html. Here we go. Okay. So we got our head. Let's go ahead and make our body. We'll leave a space here. Oh, cannot hit the right keys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make a table, like I said. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a table. So the big tag here is just table, believe it or not. And we'll close that with a slash table, and bada bing, we have our table. One thing that is important though is the border. And we're going to set our border to, let's give it a 2 pixels. You can pretty much make it whatever you want, but it's going to be a 2 pixel border. And now how this is going to work, how everything's going to be set up, it's all going to be set up in rows and columns. You're going to start with your basic row, and the tag for that is TR, for table row. Right? Pretty simple. Little acronym right there. TR. And what's going to be in that, and of course, we have our row, which is going across, just to clarify. So we're on the same page here. So you have going across, let's say, I don't even know, what should we put in this table? You want to put, like, ooh, I can't decide. I cannot decide what to put in this table. Let's say, let's do movies. Let's do movies. We're going to do movies and the year that they came out. I might have to do a little bit of Googling here, but I'll do one from now, and then I'll do one from last year, and I'll do one from the year before. So, the tag for our data in our table is going to be TD. Now that stands for table data. And again, that's pretty simple. And let's go ahead, let's pick a movie. Let's go Frozen. Right? Or we could do the Lego movie, whatever. Frozen 2014 just came out recently. Do you want to build a snowman? Alright, so, TD. And let's say, for our table data. Now, if you want to have it set up to where we have Frozen right here going across, and then we have, let's say, the year 2014 like this. So, actually, let me put this down here. If we have 2014, or no, we have Frozen 2014. Right, and then we wanted to have, let's say, 21 Jump Street. Right, I think that came out in 2013, right? It might have been 2012. Pretty sure it's 2013 though. And then, I don't know, some other random movie, 2012, right? If you wanted to set up like that, and of course they'd all be, spaced out correctly. Like so. And then, of course, there'd be lines going through here and all that. So if you wanted to set it up like that, I'm going to show you how. So table data, let's re-put this back in. I don't know what happened here. Frozen, right? And TD. Okay, bam. Now, since we're still in the same row, so right here is our first row, because it's TR, TR. This is our first row, and the way that we have things go into the next column is on the next line and just have another table data. So this came out in 2014. So we're going to put that right there, bada bing. Now let's go ahead just to give you a little bit of feel for where this is gonna, or what this is going to look like. Excuse me. It's gonna look just like this. Now imagine this with a couple more rows and columns, and that'll be our final table. So let's keep going, and this will kind of help us practice. So TR, let's go ahead and make another row, TR/TR, and let's go with 21 Jump Street. I might Google it really quick to make sure. But let's see. I think it's 2013. Let's just stick with 2013. And again, our closing tag. So bada bing. Oops, I hit Control A. And launch Firefox. Pull it back over here from my other monitor, and here you go. Frozen, 21 Jump Street, 2014, 2013. Now, of course, you can add some spice to that with some styles. We're not going to get into that episode. We're already past the 5-minute mark. I do like to keep these short. But there you go. You know how to make a basic table, and eventually you'll learn how to change the look of that table so it doesn't look that bland. But once again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned, and I hope you had fun doing it, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.